Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mazda CX5, stock number 5942. This ran from 02-2012 to the 12-2016. Has a SH 2.2 litre diesel twin turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front door, 3 dents. Left rear door, 2 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster.